Success is not random. It's not a lottery. What separates billionaires from the rest of the world isn't just money. It's how they think. There's a mental code that makes them unstoppable, and today, I'm going to reveal that code to you. Pay close attention because what I'm about to share could change your life forever. What truly differentiates the ultra-successful? Intelligence? Luck? Education? None of these. The real game changer is mindset. They don't think like most people. They see opportunities where others see obstacles. They act when others hesitate. And this is something you can learn. I want you to ask yourself right now, what's holding you back? Is it fear, doubt, lack of knowledge? Whatever it is, understand this. Every billionaire you admire once faced the same challenges. The difference is they refuse to let those barriers define them. Most people are programmed to think with a scarcity mindset. This means fear of loss, risk aversion, and the belief that success is a zero-sum game. If someone wins, someone else loses. Billionaires, on the other hand, operate with an abundance mindset. They understand that wealth can be created, that problems are hidden opportunities, and that every mistake brings a valuable lesson. To reprogram your mindset, start by changing your internal dialogue. Stop saying, "I can't afford this," and start asking, "How can I afford this?" Small shifts in your thought patterns lead to massive changes in your outcomes. Think in decades, not days. While most people chase instant gratification, billionaires play the long game. They don't ask, "How can I make money fast?" Instead, they ask, "How can I build something sustainable and high impact over the next 10, 20, or 30 years?" Think about Amazon. Jeff Bezos didn't focus on immediate profits. He reinvested everything into long-term growth. Solve massive problems. If you want exponential wealth, you need to solve exponential problems. The bigger the problem you solve, the bigger the reward. What's one problem in the world today that frustrates you? Instead of complaining about it, think, "How can I create a solution?" That's what billionaires do. The power of immediate decision-making. Billionaires make decisions fast and adjust along the way. Most people get stuck in fear of making mistakes. But the truth is, not deciding is already a decision, and usually the worst one. If you want to win, you need to act, test, learn, and constantly evolve. Now that you understand the billionaire mindset, how do you apply it? Here are 3 simple techniques you can start using today. Reprogram your mind with powerful questions. Instead of asking, "Why can't I?" logically ask, "How can I?" This shifts your approach and opens doors to solutions. Eliminate negative influences. People and content that reinforce a scarcity mindset must be removed from your life. Create a routine of learning and execution. Read biographies of great entrepreneurs, take notes, and put something new into practice every day. Success doesn't happen by accident. It's the result of how you think and act daily. Let me share with you a quick story. John was stuck in a 9-to-5 job, always afraid of taking risks. But once he embraced the billionaire mindset, once he started thinking in decades, solving massive problems and making decisions fast, his life changed. He launched his own business, scaled it up, and today he's financially free. What changed? His mindset. And if he can do it, so can you. Another example, Sarah, an aspiring entrepreneur, feared failure, but she realized that every billionaire has failed multiple times. She started seeing failures as stepping stones, took action, and built a thriving company. One last example. Daniel had a dream of starting his own tech company, but always thought he wasn't smart enough. One day, he decided to take action despite his fears. He studied successful entrepreneurs, mimicked their habits, and executed his ideas. Today, he runs a million-dollar business. What changed? His belief system. Now tell me, what's your biggest mental barrier today? Comment below. I want to know what's holding you back from reaching your next level. If this video made sense to you, share it with someone who needs to hear this message. And if you haven't subscribed yet, do it now. This is just the beginning of your transformation. The difference between those who win and those who watch others win is simple. Action. Make your decision now, and I'll see you at the top.